20歲，從細到高雄態。好是20歲嘅我，會寫定兩種立場，讓大家共下發光20歲嘅美。每擺都會有無共專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋共下講，共下聊聊下嘅想法。北京母族打開耳光，兩條藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想唔到嘅事情呢？然下啲嘅自由運動嘅係我嘅朋友 Paulo Rui， 看佢見照，完全不虛渺就地，佢平常真應當好自由運動。然下佢在意大利米蘭，背後係米蘭主教座堂，我咪當上我去。唔過兩擺還係先邀請佢來台吧。自由運動係副業，佢嘅本業其實係一位插畫家哦。大家好，
大家好，
我想收看下一點，下一點。This is my friend Paulo Rui.
Hello. We say ciao and then we kiss.
Oh, do you know where we are now?
We are in Hualien.
Do you know what's special about it?
I think it's special for many reasons, but you have to show me what, because I'm not too much into this. Oh, sorry, what is that?
I don't know.
Looks like an exploding cockroach, isn't it?
Exploding cockroach?
Yes.
That is so gross. It's actually a firebug.
Oh, that's why. Yes.
Yeah? And you think it's an exploding
Well, to me, still looks like an exploding cockroach, but that's just interpretation. You know, in everything is like this. There's not a real truth to it. You have to find your answers.
Okay. Yes. So Paulo, you get photo and isuga. And no wonder you have so much imagination.
That's why I'm here.
That's why you're here. Yes. And I'm going to bring you to many places here in Hualien and Taichung.
Yes.
And I remember you like jogging, right?
Yes, I like jogging.
How about we go by foot?
That would be great.
That would be great.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
That's a deal.
Okay, but you should give me the other hand because otherwise it's not polite.
Okay. That's not polite.
Okay. If you go to Sicily and you pour a bottle of wine with your left hand and you turn it this way, they can kill you for that.
Really?
At least 100 years ago, possibly.
Oh.
In a place like this, everything is so green and it's really peaceful. There are not too many people around, so it's really peaceful and relaxing for the mind. So you don't have all this noise that disturbs you when you live in a city. It's a nice place to get some inspiration from.
離開都市度轟隆隆嘅聲音，還有總係趕唔停嘅時間，來到花蓮，整件間個全部都慢下來。自由運動場嘅時節，你會一次上到底只有幾多天？唔過啲兩位啊，就在30度烘，還有白寶石潺潺嘅水上，整件很幸福。第二站唔係定來到花蓮數峰，拜訪一位客家大哥，佢到底會帶我哋一起用嘅播種咯。
Are we going fishing? Swimming? What?
I don't know. Hello.
哎，欢迎哦！
你好，哎，我嘅朋友 Paulo，
你好，欢迎。
and 有嚟兩位愛情，然後
台灣肉哎，
嘿，我們要找台灣肉。
哎，你還是台灣肉，我這張鹽台灣肉，
So we're finding this one.
綠色那是台灣肉。
Really?
Yeah, this one. So 它是不是夠還有另外一個名係豐田肉？
豐田肉就是台灣肉。
Oh, are you ready to pick them up?
Yeah, show me.
Okay.
I've never seen this one. Only in stores and museums.
Only
This is
stores.
really beautiful. Look at that.
Okay. So are we ready to get into the water?
Yes.
Okay.
來，
那我們
Thank you
就
very much.
可以直
So we change shoes.
直接就可以去撿了。
哦
帶你們去。來，我們來走，我們到那個地方去撿。嘿，
好
我帶你們到這個地方，小心哦，很滑。
have to watch out.
This is really slippery.
Okay.
我講是日本時代是移民到花蓮，突然幸福了誒。我花蓮出世，40多年前我將投入台灣玉加工這個行業。也是白寶石用嘅大部分是老山嘅山當留下來。日本時代日本人可上面在上面轉去，把廢殺嘅台灣玉嘅石鼓當作 肥沙的挑剔，咱挑个散脚，吼啊散当前都摸的石骨挑下来，咱做太水凤菜，伊几下太水冲下来，了几条白鲍鸡，所以下袂清到红样。小心很滑，哦，你给它翻开来看有没有玉，拿起来看是不是玉，哦，台湾用的它。
So you take whatever you think it's pink.
哦，反过来看嘿，哦，看唔嘿，这不是，
小哥，你看眼。
哦，这是玉啊，嘿，我们看啊，这个是蛇纹石啦，上纹上，嘿，
So this kind of stone is like it has the texture or something like a skin snake.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but this is not what we want.
Yes.
这个就片岩石，嘿，对，慢慢的清嘿，
哇，这个好看呢、
不是，
这个应该是对的。
这个是吗
不是那蛇纹石，
？No no.
哦，可是那么好看呢、Since I was a kid, I always loved to go to rivers, play with friends, and build some dams, and then look for stones because they are so mysterious. They're all so different. Some of them are really beautiful, even though they're not valuable. It's like art. The only relationship one should have with art is you like it or you don't like it. It's not because somebody tells you it's worth something.
传统的枪色的有嘛，那是可拿长长的有诶，
强强的。
嘿，
绿色的就是
绿色的就是台湾玉咯，嘿。
每天都会来两呢。
嘿啊，有行啊，就喺望岩嘛，嘿。对它运通的以后啊，
Rock. Rock.
It looks like a bird. Hello. Looks like a bird.
Yes. 石头。
石头。You can ask about. 小哥 ，Hello， 我问你问题。
嘿，这不是，这蛇纹石，
运气不好。
哎，慢慢来，
当然，
慢慢的来，嘿，
慢慢的来，慢行来。
对。
It's not jade, but it's beautiful. Are you going to do some battling? What about this?
对，哦，这个是台湾用诶，
Oh, you found one.
Yeah,
Look at
lucky.
you. Oh, so
Got
proud
two
of
on,
that
hey.
one. Oh, you're really good.
Just one.
I got none.
You got
This is
two.
from you, and this is the glass.
Yeah. You're on my foot.
Ah.
也咩系啊？
Okay.
太低嘿。
Yeah, give me.
我今日台灣用嘅啊，
Yeah, this yeah, this is Taiwan.
係呢係台灣用嘅。
Oh, hello, I got a big one.
Lucky guy.
呀，这个不是，哎不是，
Oopsie.
来呀这张黑，来对，
Yeah, again.
哎，
One more.
这个
So
台湾玉，
lucky. 这个呢？
I'm gonna.
这个是台湾玉比较差的，
Not so good.
比较差的。
Right?
I'm not greedy.
他说影片看戏给你。
前肉真係冇簡單，而太了嘅結果做唔係，我都還望前到輔助老了，我真見嘅學世界業務喎。
Hi. So this is our treasure for today. Show us.
Nice catch.
Nice catch.
She's been luckier than me.
I know I am.
But I found also just a rock, but
a
with
rock?
beautiful colors.
Okay, this is your favorite, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we're going
Let's
to
go.
Jiang Tioga's 工作室 to polish our jades, alright?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
好。
So Tioga，
嘿
你做啲老外就講，摸魚嘅過程嘛。
魔芋吼，你要是俺要看到吼，你要边角料啦，因为工厂家来切到切到来弄。
So we're going to the factory and gonna
Yes.
cut it.
Because jade is the most loved Chinese stone, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. 佢講啊，牛係台灣人最愛的色條係冇？
嘿啊，台湾因为是 清后的矿石啊。
She said like it's really really good minerals produced in Taiwan.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to the factory and we're going to mold it into the shape we want.
Oh, that's great. Okay,
Yeah.
I long
Right.
to try. Really.
Okay, let's go. So now we're gonna learn how to
Yes.
fix this.
Let's
stone.
see what he's going to teach us.
来，我们石头换这边，嘿，我看一下，我们去剪的，就是我们火把染到的哈，人家的一讲啊，
一江
嘿
东江
东江错，你看啦哈，有啊，有天空，你看到橙
Transparent.
色的，有看到吗？哈，绿色的，
透明的。
透明的，透明的，对啊，它讲叫做透明的，佢唔可以磨透明就磨講。
Oh. So if it is like beautiful,
Oh,
it
you-
goes
you want, huh?
transparent.
You-
If it is
you-
good game.
要透明的，
Oh, so
當然
兩個
較好用。
就唔係透明嘅，
而家唔可以透明，
so
嘿，
兩個唔好。
冇人厚啦，嘿，因為透明就要厚一些。你從呢度透明有啊，有看到嗎？
有。
哦，長長。
Yes, it is. Yeah, that's透明。
而家哈，迄個攞自然型嘅一做的啦，某個自然型的做的。
Okay, so he said that why don't you just make it like into the natural shape and
Yes.
then maybe just polish it a bit?
Yes.
So make it how it looks like.
Yeah, I will try.
Say its true color. I mean.
Yes.
All right,
I like
that's
it
good.
this way.
因為
Yes.
切干
I
染
like it
到，
better.
好
跟你有緣。
OK，那我们要不要去做？
那切行那。
好。
Okay.
另外，你啊讲创了就你看，大部分肉的大部分是贴在边角料，其实咧摸埋用到的五盘的挑剔，啊所以你落嚟下，你30人烟的，啊你啊就有几块咧看就好好的，怎咧做 DIY， 因为你每张肉嘅会切块让底火白，所以你要是30几年前。30多年留下来的边角料很多，嘿。
Working with stones is totally different from the rest than working with wood or metals. I know that I have to find a way to compromise what I want and what I can actually do. I think it's really inspiring up to me, and I cannot stop this. When I see a stone, I see something. So that's what I wanted to try to do. I wanted to make this stone look better and to resemble more what I wanted it to look like. I didn't want to carve into it and create something new. I just wanted to respect the shape. And that's already inspiration, even though it's an abstract shape. Actually, stone is an abstract shape because it doesn't really mean anything.
攞肉嘅，嘿，切下嚟攞 DIY， 嘿，
OK。
Yeah?
好，對。
Mama. Okay, 好了。
对，慢慢的嘿，泡水。
慢慢地
对，老爷就会讲啊，艺不走不成器啊，要很刻苦耐劳嘿，
So,
冲下感应。
嘿，因为学港嘅精神啊，刻苦耐劳。因为奉天美差不多会长，差不多一半，全部客家人，全部桃竹苗过来吼。客家子弟还刻苦耐劳，啊，有的种上学做嘛，客家人吼做得好仔细，哦，因从了边从了农业嘅，俺们客家子弟啦吼，常有行行姜，常做到了下，我因从就了种有机蔬菜，咪青豆，杠种因种出来，全部客家子弟，还有青豆啦，各行各业，哦，像美食的美食，青豆因全部客家子弟，因为到花莲来创业哦，都是很艰辛的。
pendant for my wife, for her necklace. Wow, it's a gold mine. Yeah, because each and every piece of jade has its own shape, its own color, its own texture. And if I just had a chance to work on it, I don't know what it would come out. And it's a gold mine. Look at this. Look how, you know how many things you could do with these things? Some of these pieces for them, they are not clean enough. They cannot use them to make those beautiful traditional pieces of art. But who knows what might happen if somebody just start experimenting with them.
就像 Paulo 講嘅，每一粒石條都有佢嘅個性。從我一開始想要做一面五嘅，不過後來石條自家就變成木乃伊嘅形嘅。明明係咁樣啊，那個世界就係因為有各種嘅人才會安整起。有人掂清，有人愛上好痛。像 Paulo 一樣，就係一個同學嘅你嘅。雖然佢比我老嘅懂多些。 不過5年落就係佢特別嘅地方。我哋下講嘅係喺冇本意談到真好喎。好山好水，不過唔會無聊。我哋在花蓮看到長長一條嘅山脈，完全清楚嘅天際線，還有細世界當家看到，不過太陽就還得見過嘅腰脯。兩個都係做起台北後，想都唔是想嘅東西。俺用老票路行在天順路，佢喊唔啲，等一下我會帶佢去從花家嘅 party。
Ladies and gentlemen, bring up the beat!
So now I'm bringing you to a bunch of grandmas. We call them apple in
Apple?
Hakka. Apples.
Very-
Apples
very
in
nice.
Hakka. And when did you start drawing?
I remember at 3.
3. Okay.
Yes.
So they started much, much later than you do.
You really?
But they got really, really talented. Like their imagination flies everywhere. So their drawing is like always so with like their childlike.
I really
Imagination.
long to see them.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
All right. And you see this place?
Yes.
The milky. It looks like milky water, right?
Yes.
So this water, it comes from the central part of Taiwan, and it's from Zhongyang Sanmai. And then they use this water to do all the farming. So actually, the farming here is really organic and clear.
Yes. You really feel like you want to go and take a dip. And I think, can you drink this water?
I don't know. Maybe we
Okay,
can
we'll
ask
ask.
later.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Anyway, the surroundings are fantastic. Really.
go.
Let's go. Colors, drawings, children.
And I'll zip my mouth.
You don't have to.
And now we enter the gallery.
Yeah, this is a real gallery. Look at that. So beautiful. Are these their works?
I think these are like, I think they're like really professional looking, but actually they're the apples work.
This is such a typical Chinese painting in its construction, in the composition.
Yeah.
But then the colors are so bright and vivid. They are different from the ones that we see in the galleries. They look like more natural. Yeah.
They're not restricted or
No,
something.
not really.
Exactly.
And there are so many flowers. This is so much Van Gogh-esque. Van Gogh, in a way of Van Gogh.
Oh.
A water buffalo.
So what do you think about their skills and everything?
Well, they're pretty good because they look so spontaneous. And there is so much more information in these ones because they had a longer life. So their experience is much deeper. Goes much deeper into their culture than
think-
kids can do.
I think they're just like bringing their everyday, daily life into
Yes.
what they paint. So you see, this one is like,
It looks.
like a mother.
It really looks like they're telling stories of their daily life, but also stories of their youth. Because I don't know if here she's representing something. I mean, the artist is showing something she has seen recently, or maybe this is her and that's her mother.
Yeah.
Or I don't know. Was she jumping down from the tree?
No, you don't know what
You don't
they're
know what
trying
they
to
are
tell,
saying.
but actually it's just like daily pictures of what you see every day.
They're so lively. Also, these are a little more skilled than children do because the position of the characters, they vary. They have different angles, which is something that young kids usually don't do. Very nice, really.
You never see these in cities.
No, not really.
No.
Yes, that's so
Yeah.
different from what we see today.
You see,
in
it's like
cities.
if you take a step back and then look, it's just like this whole place.
Yes, I don't think they will ever draw somebody playing a video game.
Nah, I don't think
One
so.
of their drawings.
I don't think
That's
so either.
beautiful. It's the
Chiclet.
yes, chiclets.
Chiclet.
Roaming in the yard, and this is a pond with ducks and another water buffalo. The hen with the other chicks and parrots.
Yeah.
And the hawk.
I think they draw parrots a lot, you see?
Yes.
1, 2.
Are the parrots in the area?
Maybe, let's ask.
on the escalator.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Beautiful.
We got more
There are
here.
many more. Look at this. A reference to modern days. There is a microphone, possibly the
The only thing the only modern thing they
Yeah,
have.
but they
here.
like singing, but in the woods,
Yeah.
not in a karaoke. Her paintings really represented what she is. I didn't know that she enjoyed singing, but probably the best period of her life when she was maybe between around 20 and 25, when she could wear those dresses and she went out to see her friends. I don't know, because she always represents ladies wearing that kind of dress, colorful and elegant. Besides, in some drawings they use the line. In some drawings they didn't use it, and it's been not used in a very intelligent way. There was a particular drawing where there were the three ladies with the microphones, dressed in the different colored dresses. And you could see their eyes and their noses were represented, also their mouths, but there was no drawing for the neck and the chin, because it was not important, it was not necessary. But this is something which usually only very skilled artists can do. Because either you use the line and you put it everywhere, or you don't put it and you just work with color. Instead, this lady used it where she needed to, but she didn't use it there where she didn't really have to. And that's another thing which has struck me, because it demonstrates it's a very high intellectual work she's done on her works. Even though maybe she didn't even think about it, but her choice was really strong, yes.
Apple. Hi.
你们好。
你们好。Hi. 好。你就啲嘅做法哦。太早就在做法呢，吼。
咪咱介绍，
哈？
你喺外下台湾林老师，
哦，林先生哦。
Hello, nice to meet you.
这是
早安。
Paulo，
早好，你好。
5歲啊，
65歲。
你都做搞啊，
Oh,
啊
so
你台灣下大歲，
oh, so he taught her how to paint at the age of 65.
Oh,
So she started painting 65.
80岁了。
Oh my god. 80s now.
我花嘛個就是個因，咱花男啲槍啊無槍啊，
因为他们年纪大了哈，基本上让他们自由发挥了，自由发
Oh.
挥。那再发挥到什么程度哈？那我会去观察他们，因为他们这些农家的子弟，所以对所有的果实啦、他们的叶子的形状，包括他们的那种树的样貌哈，他们特别清楚，他们特别清楚，所以他们在记忆里面，他们就画出他过去记忆里面最深刻的东西。我是希望他们这么做的。
哦，那个阿婆嘅花就係看到有拿一个麦克风嘅迄個，
对对对，他就是喜欢唱
那個阿婆
唱山歌。
哦
those are the three of them,
，the
right?
the the traditional Chinese costume，
She's representing the three of them, right?
那個萬年輕啊，
唔係啦，
哦，
同學啦，
同學唔係那個阿婆，
唔係
唔係，你乜解？
風蓮花蓮的人啦，
哦，那個好朋友哦，
係啦，
哦。
And then we look.
And then we take a look at the other apple.
Palm tree, which is difficult to
过去
paint.
养很多的鸡。
是這樣嗎？是這樣畫嗎？
是這樣畫嗎？
So she specialized in
In
poultry and animals and birds.
So 他以前就係一個種養雞戶嘛，還是？
也不是，就是他们家庭呢，每一个人家里都有养鸡，他养的特别多，养的特别好，所以他的记忆特别深刻，他是把每一种形态都画出来。
She drew chickens with a very, very keen eye on the anatomy. Possibly she's never studied anatomy, animal anatomy, but as she's lived with chickens all her life, she really knows how to draw them, and that's really special. Something that really struck me, because some of her shapes are stylized, but they are so precise in what they render that they remind me of very good professionals who studied many years, who have struggled to come to a stylization of such a strong stylization. So I've been really impressed to see those things.
我给了说起给很多宗教官，伊讲你乜嘢都冇法，你只法给就好。 安比咧，只要向俺发家就好啊，啊个好啊。了摆种个班给电弄用哦，电弄伊3本3粒啊吼，3粒，啊上那1粒就好啦，还要发按咱发，啊个做朋友总得你袂发你那3粒，啊你不是发啦，啊就发1粒假的啦吼，个5个，1粒就发用的，个用我就落那个用的来食个韩国个食。cái mô toàn đấy cái trồng rong này cái tên nông tú à họ cái phá cái kê cái nào cái à bây cha cái từ na tổ theo miang là hay là ăn chắc từ na tổ rong ấy cái từ na tổ thì 3点啦，係啦，那提3點cái獎金嘛，那多數上講，嘿，你做嘛好？上網也該有超過去各鄉遊覽，總該就天氣總該5000就那去叫去遊覽啦，去聊，總來啥鬼差人幹麼，啥鬼車都幹麼，總來就去玉里農民之間待10日，冇補去了冇補，咬破啦，咬破，幾錢賣法？幾錢賣法咬破？
cái già po hả,是在当狗毛，cái那个戒指啦哈，我指啦，跳过树木灌等小，对啊，安样去。cái呢因不要，我生意呢看到咯，哈了就让我夹掉，啊夹就冇相干。cái đồ nghiên cảอยู่mà cái họ nhiều mà hin mà cái bản thân bây giờ là những cảm gì ta thấy ít sao bỏ mềm mà những tao mềm mà thì nó
基本上它就是回忆是过去的，对吧？因为我们过去的生活条件并没有照相机啊，什么都很困难，所以他凭借在脑袋里面东西，他们把它画出来。
哦，記得會幹過發圖東南冇？
啊，
一開始嘅時間。
一開始哦，哦，真難。
真難哦，為嘛個會真難啊？
唔是聽過筆啦，做前路到阿婆後上有冇嘛讀到書啊？你學習看下嚟啦。忙啲睇之前比槍睇腳頭樣嘅，
比腳頭
我準啊！啊，我老師講我，老師我都學會畫圖呢，那做小偷呢。
阿婆，你發圖都冇戴那個眼鏡，沒有老花哦。
沒有戴過了。
你冇戴過嘞？啊，你用看得到？
我只濕引發。
說模模糊糊也是錯。
She said she's like a little bit blurred, but she'll just do whatever it is.
很好。
朦胧有朦胧的美啊。
朦胧美。
那这位是那个，他是从阿美族呢嫁来客家村子的。
哦。She's the Aboriginal tribe. She's 阿美族。哦。
他很喜欢唱歌，所以他画的人都拿着麦克风在唱歌。
Yeah, that's why.
I get it. Those paintings are hers.
And you see, she likes to draw people and flowers.
他喜欢唱，又不会唱。
你明明就会唱，你偏拧。
真给你啊！
真
不会唱。
你會唱神歌嘛？
你會唱什麼？
當我唱咯。
當我唱啊！阿婆，你來唱一下嘛。
好，唱一下來。唱那個。
唱嘛個。
眼啲啊，
眼影好嗎？
眼。
我是你的人。
係冇乜嘅管呢個話。
She's singing. She's singing.
Yes.
大扎金子送過你。
表示愛心，今生就愛你。
真愛唱歌，唔要唱啊！我冇讀書，都特別係去唱歌，都見得。第一擺去唱歌去花蓮，哎呀咪唱咧，個樹哦誒，個做咩？都秒鐘啊！ 头前几百3银错啦，因为淡薄伊3银。个是做的安尼无爱比安尼，基本安尼。哦，去救的要2个月，要行呢，都2个月过去吼，过去吼，都唔会行哦，都消极，唔错到要好安尼，都唔会行，都哩哈，那我就真爱做个旗袍啦。那会伫啊，都希望做旗袍啦。伊从国家托心求甲哈啦，托心求甲哈我去买旗袍。某会要做旗袍，来会要做旗袍，还做某会要做旗袍，个人会个买，个某会又个买安尼，丢迄个黄亮亮啊！你还都唔敢做啊？就是想做你唔要做嘛，该做嘛，该安尼，你唔敢做啦。
I think they're very, very lucky. If I had to think about my own experience, now I'm going back to Italy. I'm going back to my studio, which is in a building where there are other artists, other designers. My space is small, and I cannot open a window on a landscape like this. I'm going to miss it, really. You know, in life you see things and in the end you make choices about where you really want to live, and so I don't know, maybe this is going to influence me for future choices, I don't know. But I surely cherish this experience.
我的偶像奥黛丽·赫本公公，我只有一件衬衫、一条裙子、一顶贝雷帽、一双鞋，但却有14条丝巾。以下我就会去加州第15条丝巾哦。
阿婆你好，
哦，主持人你好。
你好，我哋會嚟飲鋪。一下嚟飲鋪。
你愛飲長的圍巾
scarf，
嘿，教你哈。
Okay.
呀，你做的做法。
做法 you can use make a flower shape。
做法安尼轉哈。
like that。轉。
嘿，做的你呀，夾一夾。
Take one of these。
Okay, I see.
兩個哦。
嘿，兩個較好較正。
做唔得用3個哦。
我做得。
我做得。
嘿，
然後用3個。
哦，還有一種嘅花做得，媽做得。
There are 2 kinds of flowers.
Yes.
Okay.
轉。
That's the beginning. Oh,
轉
it's the beginning.
拗一下 Bend it.
Oh, you
Bend
still do
it.
the same thing. I
你
bend
梳
it.
那嚟拍。
蘇奶奶。Okay, we call rubber band 蘇奶奶。
Yes.
Okay, say it.
Sunene.
蘇奶奶。Okay, very good.
媽做得做哈，像人嘅鐵軌。
鐵軌。
鐵路做鐵路樣嘅，
You can make a railway.
A railway, yeah.
A railway.
I like
安
railways.
尼轉板，
Okay.
做得
This
轉
is
板
like 小籠包。
哦，安尼拗下去，梳那嚟拍，
咁多東西都會用蘇奶奶哦。
嘿，
哦，衝下用。
嘿，
There you go.
哦，
Oh,
媽做
because-
And you bend it.
媽做得人夾一夾，安尼夾下去，哦，
然後用蘇奶奶。
Sunene.
蘇奶奶。
Oceano Madua Sunene.
好，
啊錯，嘿，
錯。
可
Top
以
is right.
可以ทัก幾朵類花，
做多一點花哦。
嘿，
好
做得嘿，
You can
More
make more flowers if you
yeah.
want. Okay. You don't need my translation. Oh, 安用做得嘛？
嘿，安尼做得嚟，你做安尼做起來哈，安尼，規下做一團。
會下做一
做
個。
起來，嘿，
If you finished, just mess it up. 沖涼嘅樣馬戲哦，
我迄啊嘿，我迄做起來冰。这样看你这个花哈，
对啊
要这样颜色嘛哈。
阿姨
这样看你，
冲
阿姨我来
给你。
我来
Okay, show it to the
好，给你
camera.
黄色的好，
OK。
你也可以，黄色的也是可以先，
好
等一下冷掉了哈，就不好上色。
我小小嘅裝咗嚟用。
少少裝嘿，可以發開黃咧。
嚟
你迄橙色咧，你紅色咧嘛吼，
Yes.
red.
紅色咧，
Right.
那中央安尼淋，
Looks like mulberry.
哦，这样。
OK，我来。啊，这上面吗？
哎，上面很漂亮哈。中央安尼淋，
好，安尼淋。
Is it
啊
red
用
or
地
purple?
地杯也會搖嚟嘅。
冇地杯加都倒喺盆的地方，自己尾安尼吸上去。
哦，
哎，好。
OK。哎，
啊用做的
下面多一点吗？
安尼，
多。
我做得嘞，
做得
嘿嘿，
哦。
做得嘞。唔怕，不用等。
不用等
哎，不用等哦，哎，30分鐘。
30分鐘
哎
，30 minutes。
哦30
wait till
minutes
it's
以後
soaked
嘿
in
嘿嘿。
OK，
哦
所以
嘿，你放嘿，不用壓，
不用呀
都。30分鐘。
然後做乜嘅
然後就去逛一逛嘛，做得啦。
？Okay, we leave it for 30 minutes. And what else do you want to do now?
we can look around
Okay.
and check the things they've done before.
Okay,
Can we?
let's take a look.
Yes.
阿姨，我哋做啲看之前做嘅東西嘛。
做得啦。
好，我對我哋去。
好啊，好啊，好好好。
Let's go,
Let's go.
let's go.
Learning the trade afterwards, you can find ways to organize better things and do more regular shapes and something like that. But it's even nice sometimes to just let it go. When I started working as an illustrator, I had to make very tight, very realistic images, so they were looking like pretty much like photographs. So I was looking for a result and I wanted to obtain that. When I started painting instead, I started using rough canvas. I apply material that helps to create texture on the background. So afterwards, my control on the brush stroke is somehow limited by the unpredictability of the surface. And this helps to be a little more spontaneous and it's just like riding on a new road you never run before. So this gives a little touch of more spontaneity to the work. So this is pretty similar to what we've done today. So just try and go this one way we never ran before.
Last one, come on, come on.
Use your teeth.
對。
哎，哦，I like it.
very nice, really.
I love it.
醬哦，按醬
我
哦。
嘅不會動醬誒。
嘿，那你
That's beautiful.
Yeah, I know.
夾嘅嘛？啊，
Okay,
夾嘅
show
本。
me how yours.
Let's try with this now. We see.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, another one.
And another one. You got that.
Yeah, plenty of sunene. Sunene.
唔會呢，講我按讚咧。
Sunene. Okay. Let's unfurl the flag in the wind. Please help me.
Here you go.
Surprised me because it's much better than I expected. In the beginning, I wanted to apply just a little bit of red, not as much as the master added afterwards after I finished to prepare my cloth, but I think I'm kind of pleased with it.
意外，音波也種嘅結果係完全都想唔到嘅事情。當佢打開來之前，真見會讓人嘅一粒心縮定，驚喜他嘅，條條嘅講，我知道我嘅其實動將哦。我 会对漂流仍然是一件会本人面风记载的事情。花莲五河有一群种茶为生的客家人，五河大地也因为气候和地形的关系，而嘅五粮茶东出名。等一下，茶叶王子就会批定爱老漂流向下摘茶哦。
This area, as you
Yes.
taught me in Italian,
Yes.
is called Uha.
Uha.
And this is where the Hakka people used to immigrate from the west to the east because
Yeah.
Hokkien people, they were living in the flatlands, so the
Yes.
Hakka people had to move in the mountains. And this is
Right.
where I'm taking you to visit.
Yes.
So now we're gonna pick up tea leaves.
Okay.
Yep.
早安。
早安。
Good morning. Already
大家好，
working.
我嘅朋友跑路。
今天这个茶树比较特别，对，大家有没有发现，就是说它的叶片比较绿、比较薄。
It's thinner and like light green.
Yes.
这块的茶树的品种就叫红玉。
红玉。
嘿
So this kind is called red jade. The name of
Oh,
it.
红玉。
So it's different from the others.
Yes.
对，然后红玉的特征就是说它叶片会比较薄，然后它
Thinner
的
leaves.
叶缘的侧面的话是比较接近波浪状。
Oh, it's got this wave shape.
Yes, so it's not flat.
Yeah.
然后为什么会
Can I see?
可以拿一下？
So we can see
谢谢。
there's like the shape
It's
of
clear.
the.
对，然后就好好介绍一下红玉这个品种嘛。这个红玉品种它是属于我们台湾专门来做红茶的品种。
五鹤台地它早从日据时代是种咖啡，然后种茶是从鹤冈一带再往北一点再复原，然后这样一路再过来的。因为日本就是撤回日本之后，这边的咖啡产业渐渐萧条没落，是因为我们咖啡主要是以外销为主，本地人根本是不喝咖啡的。所以建议就是说，这边咖啡产业就转型做其他的农作物。而到民国50几年那时候种的比较大面积的乌龙茶，然后到63年才就是以比如说我们的半球状的乌龙茶来推广这边的一个主要的种植的一个树种。电视上面常常说一心两叶嘛，然后一心两叶这个其实它蛮简单的，就是中间这个它这个叶子嘛。
This is the heart.
Yes.
And the two leaves. This is
Alright.
how you pick it.
Oh, okay.
因为这个还没有开嘛，所以这个都还是属于芽
This is
心
not
的部分
bloomed yet.
Yes.
对，然后就是要我们标准采法就是一心两叶。
Standard.
Yes. Oh,
Bear
this
that
is
in
the
mind.
standard. Okay, remember to
Standard.
pick up
好，
this
标准
one.
就是这样子采。
Okay.
然后尽量就是说，当然我们有些会比较难判断的，就会像是，大家可能会在这边这样子，然后可能会觉得，这个还很嫩啊，这个要不要采？这样子啊，然后当然我们就还是秉持标准这边，这样子。
Oh, you might think it's like hard to decipher, but just don't do whatever you think you don't have the courage to do. Just pick it like that.
Yes.
Okay.
然后像这个也是，这个到底是几心几叶呢？对对对。
See, you can't really tell how many hearts it has.
Yes.
然后所以我们采还是从这里开始采，所以这样算起来它才半开的状态啊。对啊。
所以这个是可以的。
对，这个还是可以。
So
所以
we
我们还是
always
会把它采下来。
we always have to pick up the fresh ones, the new leaves, right? Not the other ones.
No, not that ones.
No.
Okay,
Only
so
these ones.
we should practice. 我们应该练习一下，对不对？，
对可能会需要在判断上面的时候，就是可能会从这边开始做一些厘清这样子。因为有时候采快啊，采久的时候可能会看不太清楚，就会容易采错。然后呢，我们采茶就会跟大家说，就是放的位置。有没有发现，就是茶叶我摆放的位置？其实这样采集的话，它的叶间芽心的部分是朝向自己的。
Oh, so you take it like that, hold it like that.
Oh, okay.
After you pick it up.
好，那我现在试采一片，然后就是用你的一个食指跟大拇指的指腹，然后我们是这样
Like
子，
that?
这样子采。
Okay.
Oh.
I see.
对
I
然
think
后
this one 这个可以摘，对不对？
可以。
Okay. So I'm gonna pick up this one.
这个已经可以了。
对，那个可以。
Okay.
直接往上挑就断了，往上提就断。
哦
然后我们不会采一片放一片，采一片放一片，会采到一个量，先收集在手掌心里面。
Okay.
所以这样子采是比较快的。
Oh, so if you don't want to waste your time, you know, putting it
Two
here,
hands.
yeah, you do it at both
先
hands.
收集在手上，
Okay, he's like real fast.
然后满的差不多就可以放到篮子里面。
好。
好，那么就先来练习采一下。
好
这边都可以采，像这个的话，这是阿姨他们采过的。
Oh, so they picked it up
Yes,
already.
already.
See?
Not
There's like
here.
the stem. Okay. All right. Slow down.
What's that? I'm here for work.
You're here for work. But you gotta leave me, you know, this is my part of my job as well, so. You gotta have like really good eyesight to know which
在
ones
采
to
茶
pick.
的过程中，你们可能需要这些种类。
Yeah, I know.
Okay, right.
I know, it's so hard.
Like the other ones. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yay.
Thank you.
We look like them now.
Yeah, it's really hot today, so I
But-
think it's better also because I can keep my eyes open. I don't have to stay like this, like Clint Eastwood.
But you see, they got
这个
all the
篮子特别
decorations.
为你们准备的，
谢谢
因为阿姨他们那个很大篮啊，你
OK
们其实采那们差不多也差不多会昏倒，所以我们只要把这个采满就可以。
We might just faint in the middle of like
Yes,
somewhere.
okay.
Okay.
But there's no
没关系，我
competition.
们在采的过程中，我们就跟阿姨他们一起采，一起聊天好了。
好啊
Okay, how?
Okay, so let's join them.
Let's join
How
them.
about it? Okay,
Yes.
let's go.
We don't want to spoil the plan.
阿姨就带那个我朋友来跟你聊天，看顺便教他们这个怎么样采茶。
好，
要睇見呵。
好，
係
好。
係。誒，兄弟嘅朋友。
好。
佢按到 Paulo。
哦
Hello.
Hello. Hello. She's really busy. She
Yeah,
can't
she's
even
very busy. We can't
handshake.
distract
这
her.
个是采这样，两个看起来比较嫩就可以3叶一心。比较嫩就3叶一心。如果说
用會用兩個啊？
他们采久的手会很痛，
哦
所以一定要带刀片。但一般体验我们是不建议，因为怕会割到自己。
Oh, okay. So because they do it so all day long, because it might hurt after all day work. So they use a knife, so it's easier. But we're just like experiencing, so make it so much simpler. Let's just use our hands.
Yes.
All right.
So they are
Okay.
also Kung Fu masters, so they can defend themselves.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Why do you have so many tea leaves in your bag?
Because the boss gave me some. Hey,
Okay.
he entrusted me with those.
Never
you cannot
mind.
do that. You're not allowed. Can we start?
Can we start?
只是说你们待会采茶肯定要在阿姨的前面，不然你们会采没有茶。
Oh, okay.
Okay.
阿姨再飛。
对，阿姨可以帮我们那个善后，因为我们有时候采的不会很干净。
阿姨，用會裝成這樣，你們在比賽哦？
冇啊，
冇。
5叶没有，5叶的阿多做安尼呀。
所以他们有时候就是这件装扮是自己的造型，自己去设计打扮的。
Okay.
They are so different one from the other, so they found ways to show their personality through the way they protect themselves from mosquitoes and from the sun especially. There was one who was wearing something very sexy. She not only wore Jaguar boots and also a Jaguar patterned shirt, she also decorated her basket in the same way with an old skirt. It was a sexy skirt. Then there was this lady, she was kind of rounded, and she was wearing this beautiful and cute, childish teddy bear shirt. And another one was wearing, I think she was one of the old ones, she was wearing a beautiful and bright colored flower patterned shirt on top of everything she was wearing.
I'm gonna teach you how to sing the Hakka song.
Yeah.
But I'm not really well.
I'm even worse. So.
You're even worse. Okay. So it goes like 天公啊落水哦，黑毛。
冇哟，
就好了。
在边草木来到行水边。
In Italy, until possibly 50 years ago, in northern Italy where we cultivate rice, northern Italy is famous for rice too, it was not picked up by machinery, but it was picked up by ladies especially, which did a job pretty similar to the ladies we met. And they have their own traditions of songs. There is so much tradition in the songs. There are still some old women who remember life before machines, when they had to spend many hours a day with the boots and feet in the water to pick up and clean up the rice fields and sing the song. To let time pass, they sang together beautiful songs with different voices. It's really nice. Some of these songs are really beautiful, very musical.
从日据时代那时候就一直有 客家人从来慢慢多次迁徙来这边嘛，这边要垦荒，然后开发这边产业，我们也是其中一个。听老爸他们讲是说是从龙潭杨梅那一带这样子过来的。然后小时候其实我是外婆带大，所以我对于阿美族那边的东西我会比较记忆会比较多。关于客家部分的话，就是还是以口述啊，就听可能姑姑啊、阿婆啊，然后再就是长辈他们在讲解以前的东西。
作为归你嘅杂产人，除睇日條曬流每年後，一次重複共用嘅動作，雜茶雖然動辛苦，不過我哋跳嘢就從山歌打嘴鼓，一啲都唔會無聊哦。接下來我哋坐定阿上嘅田牛茶，聽聽佢轉到佢嘅茶學學咗茶。
后面就是我们制茶的地方。哦。然后，但因为刚刚采茶很辛苦，我们先喝杯茶好了啦。
哦。跳下真件动辛苦，骨头了下眼点，为了 sip 一杯茶。
谢谢。
好，你们喝看看。
很香的。
它柚子茶是客家传统茶嘛，早期客家是用虎头柑嘛，虎头柑是以前这种东西，虎头柑是没有人用来吃的，那它特别酸，然后所以他们就说把虎头柑然后算是不要浪费，因为以勤俭为主的那个精神嘛。
客家的传统。
对对对，然后我们就是包括我们也把我们就是比较丑的，然后比较大颗，可能果肉比较没有那么幼的，来做这个柚子茶，因为我们是结合在地的特色产。
Besides being a good product to be drank afterwards, they also look beautiful.
Yeah.
They're beautiful objects by themselves.
It could be like decoration on the wall.
They look like they're like pieces of art. You can put them on a shelf, on a piece of beautiful wood, and they will stay there. And they how long can they last?
那个做的冰。
它其实跟茶叶一样，其实不一定说变成这个之后可以放多久，因为茶叶它其实我们法定保质期是2年，但是这个茶叶它是放越久，像老茶一样，越久它价值越高。这个也是，它新做的1-2年没有人要买。
Oh, so if it's like 1 year or 2 year, no one wants it.
它喝起来有点需要费一点小工，就是说我们一般会把干净的布也可以，就是把它盖着，然后用木锤把它敲碎。
He's unwrapping it.
就是它有没有像一个幸运草一样？
哦。
Looks like a tomato.
To me, 看起来很像南瓜。
然后它其实正确的喝法是用，就像我刚刚讲的干布加木锤把它敲碎，就是皮跟柴一起混合。对，然后但先大家让它看看说里面，因为它很硬，它需要木锤来，然后可以先打开看它包起来是什么样子。对，我很需要糖吃的。
OK。
对。
这个。
上一下，真的很硬，可能会破坏掉一些的，像这样子。
汤起了很像那个吃洋芋片的时候。
对。
哇。
柚子它本身它的外层那层囊会很多精油嘛，所以精油层面会带来辛辣，然后跟刺激的味道。但因为精油烘焙的时候，它会比较稳定，烘焙完它的炭焙的味道会比较重一点。刚烘完再直接如果饮用的话，这个口味其实不会好，那必须要放过一段时间，因为它每年摆放的那个香气跟它稳定性，甚至它的一些苦味涩味会随着摆放的时间点慢慢的消除掉，所以摆放的越久，摆放的越好的那个价值感会越高。我会去北埔啊，然后峨眉这边的部分，然后甚至跑到苗栗，然后我都有去找这个柚子茶，很好玩。他们每个做柚子茶的风格都不一样，然后有人是坚持古法。甚至家传的一些草药，他们都会加在里面。就是每一个人拿着这个，自己挑选你喜欢的。
You choose whatever you want.
Yes. Okay. For example, this one.
Okay, I want this one.
对，然后盖子跟它就是要同一个盖子这样子。
Does it fit? Does it fit?
是。太大太小吗？
太小。
哦，其实 OK， 那这个应该就是它的，因为它被撑开的。好。
那个黑膜。
嘿，这可以。
OK。
对。然后盖子先放旁边。
Okay.
For another one.
Do you need another one?
Because this is too small.
Does it fit? No. There are more.
对，这可以，这没关系。
Okay.
没关系。Okay.
You just put the top aside.
待会啊，就是挖紧，就是那个主身，然后我们把茶叶跟我们的文旦柚一起搅拌。
哦，OK。
搅拌过之后，我们再把它塞到那个文旦柚里面去。
好。
好。
好，
So we have to mix the tea leaves with the pomelos.
Oh, do we?
加油。
So, half and half is weight.
Oh,
Wise.
大概比例係嘛㗎？
哦，比例的话，一般我们是称重是1比1。
哦，1 to 1
1 to
ratio.
1, yes.
Yep.
Okay.
越那个均匀越好。
But you have to break the pomelo.
為了兩個。
哎，要捣碎没有关系。
OK
這樣子。
对，没
哦
关系。
Do you have anything like? Do you mix up any tea leaves with fruits in Italy?
I never heard it before. So
Never?
No, because we don't grow tea in Italy.
Oh.
We do other things with our hands and with our feet, as I told you when there's time for the to get the grapes and prepare the wine. Now they use machines, but in the past, and I tried before when I was a kid, you put all the grapes in a big tine, which is a huge bucket, and then you just clean your feet, you go there,
You step on it.
You step on the grapes and squeeze them with your feet, and it's fun because you do it with friends.
Oh.
And you get all dirty, but it smells so nice. Because
How about the feet?
well, the feet smell nice afterwards because grapes smell nice, right?
Yes. Okay, we need to wash our hands.
双手来。
Yes, before going there with the hand, of course.
Okay.
We stop.
好。 盖子没关系，就先把它挑起来，哎，然后待会尽可能把它装满它，然后装满以后，你还要把它挤压，压紧。
Okay, so you fill it up and then you press it really hard, really hard.
然后我们尽量在这里面就是完成，不要让它掉出来。这样。
Okay.
So we go like this. We get some, and we press it with our thumbs.
也可以用汤匙。
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's more polite. That's the elegant way, right?
Thank you. And to say,
And to say, so we get some.
get
We
some,
start
press
pressing,
it.
and then we go
get
with our
some,
thumbs,
press
right?
it.
With this or with press with the thumbs?
都得用大拇哥。
可以。
可以哦。
It's impressive how much we fit into it,
Yeah.
right? Because look at that. We prepare so much, but most of it is gone now.
Yeah.
With just 3 of them. So there's so much air
So
that it can be
we
compressed.
prepared a lot of it, but then now with 3 pomelos, we're nearly finishing the whole pot.
It's impressive.
看起来刚刚搅拌看起来很多，其实塞进去它居然可以塞到这么小的地方。
You have to fill it up and compress it up to the top, right?
Yes.
It really has the flavor of the pomelo. It's really special. The only parallel I had is there are some kinds of cheese in Italy which are wrapped with strings like that, so they change their shape. And but I never seen anything like this. It reminds me a little bit because there was a string, but no other parallel to the Chinese Taiwanese zongzi, which I really appreciate. I really like.
有人是用铁丝啊，然后有人是压模啊。 然后，但是的话，我觉得说还是纯手工用线绳绑的这个最漂亮，而且它不会像铁丝啊，或者有一些铁的味道会残留在里面。然后压磨出来的东西，它又太过于自私，然后没有那么好看。外观保存上面，它比较没有像之前传承的那么有特色，那么有文化。
他以为嘅時間，所以會一直跳來跳去，韓國愛出動態里裝作的老吉他很。 唔過上到幾陣日後，就會有又香又醬嘅油味茶，我就醉着了。我哋來到玉里，跳下上山摘茶，然下就停定小姑娘是健行。到底要行到哪呢？來到花蓮，因為做定唔帶漂落去看海呢。然下我就會小解佢花蓮嘅另一種海，見證花海。 大 1889年开花时节一到，满山条嘅金针花。以下就来拜访中嘅青叫金针花嘅李太哥，向下来摘金针。
李太哥，你好。
你好。
你係我嘅朋友 Paulo。
你好。你好。
民國10年左右，係講迄座苗栗石潭過來，嗰是行嘅講做中央山脈啊，都行過來，行到個天天山變翻山過來嘅，過來了看到你當個天當好哦，還有當培又唔是乜個開發都就要種東西，所以講就這樣黑下來。了七個山以前是嗰種嘅林區，了後嗰樹啊，種嘅樹就是摩前河川啊，摩前川所以講了嗰種嘅農民都想講對種番要培養好種嘛，無單槍種番薯要本山竹石體啦。剛開始種了金針起種看來，種多講。按好，個金針咁樣一年收成一年都收300人用。嗰種是這就民國差唔多53、4年㗎哈。
這得老外都講怎麼拔這個。好嗎？
好啊。
好啊。So he's not gonna teach us how to pick it up.
樣拗了木料。
So this is where the stem and the flower meet. Yes. You pick it up from here, so you can choose one.
Yes.
兩解咩？
你種一張做得了，你種一張做一張，你張做一張，你磨好。
這個不行。
你都糟蹋了。哦。因為發現啊，你天公一沒沖涼用。
點解我該做咩的食兩？
個是唔得啦，個都磨，只會磨東西啦。
磨乜嘅東西啊？
磨米。
沒有蜜。
沒有蜜的。
Oh, so if you want this one, you can't. It's not edible because there are no more like honey inside. So these are the only ones you can.
沒有味道。
So yeah, 沒有味道。Exactly.
錯。所以講你要摘哈。
So you choose one.
Yes.
你要摘哈，做唔得就按起碼下，你跪下都冇得的，要拿起來，拗上，拿起來。
So you pick it up and then you go like that.
那邊有那麼多。小朋友，
这个这个就是我们没有用药的，这个金针都没有用药，它所以有长虫，会不虫啊。
So I'm organic too。
做金针做32年，差不多87年啦。加做金針有嗰種係生問題，加咪摘唔起咩？摘唔起都開花開到萬奈起啊！規山都花啊！當尾想講，嚟做本人學嚟看咩好啊樣。
Basic thing is the contrast, the color contrast from the rest. The plant is very vivid, light greens, and this orange really contrasts a lot from that color. The second thing is the shape. The shape of this flower is actually they look like fireworks. And while we went to pick them up, some flowers were already open, then there were the buds. We passed by and we got all full of pollen. So they were miphon. They were coming closer because we were covered with pollen. So we were flowers ourselves.
那为什么拔完手都黄黄的？
那个就是蚜虫。
蚜虫是那个虫的。
这个蚜虫的汁啊，它是吸花蜜。
Oh, I get it. So this is like his hands are like yellow now because of the honey inside, the bugs. Oh, so after we pick it up, we're gonna like soak it in yellow.
All yellow. Okay.
对，那个花，它吸它的里面的花蜜，所以它是都黄的。
那你每天这样手都会黄黄的吗？
对呀，黄黄的没有关系啊，洗了就没有了。
哦，那会甜甜的吗？
有。
会。真的。
先不能蘸了，要煮过才知道啊。
没有，我说你这样舔手会不会甜甜的？
应该是甜甜的吧？
你没有
甜过。
I'm not going to forget flowers like those. And actually, one feeling one has when it sees a field full of flowers is going back to Van Gogh's times, and is the depiction of the sunflower fields. And this is a good flower that can be used by an artist to make a beautiful representation of a landscape with flowers, because they are relatively easy to paint. They have a very definite shape. They're so colorful, so the color contrast is fantastic. So for photographers and artists to go to a place like that is really interesting, because in a fine day, blue sky, white clouds, green, dark greens on the mountains, light greens in the plantations, and then those orange flowers create a fantastic contrast, and you can use colors in a very magnificent way, yes.
Hey,送你的长辈，送你的长辈嘅种嘅，长辈有种可以做菜啊。
百美五号，
美丽的主持人你好。
So many beautiful colors.
我来教你们做凉拌金针。
Oh, so we're making the salad.
我们先把这个金针是干的，我们先把它泡水，泡好以后再穿烫，捞起来晾干了哈，我们就把它捞起来，就这样子。我们现在是要做金针凉拌，这样子，然后还有放，还有加这个黑木耳，再加的话是木蜜，木蜜，啊，你啲老木蜜，老啲金针哈，用它冰落去，拌海带芽。 海带芽
，yes， 是不是有腌过？
是这个腌过的，全部冰落去，冰它倒开好些。
哦，She said the more you put, the better it tastes.
阿丽啊，你我冰一些辣椒。
我喜欢。
哦，辣椒，好，然后还要加我们的老梁、香菇素蚝油。
Tell you in Haggafa。
这样子，然后一些老底位都好嘞哈，香油，
淡一點。If you mix it, it smells better.
胡醋。
It's a vinegar.
好絲，個加一些咧，因為金邊冇跟砂糖，所以用那個冰糖代替。冰糖。然後這個菇要穿燙過，要燙過蒸過的。
So it's ripe already.
對。嘿，啊，你金邊按用沒做的哈，就直接按用，拌一拌。
Yes.
拌一拌，
And it's so colorful.
好吃，那么多不同的颜色，
好看，清香哈，好吃咯，
好吃咯，
好吃咯。
你講好吃，
好吃。
They're all one color. It's like
it's like a mixture of paint.
Well, you know there are some paintings which are made.
Yeah.
Choosing colors all in the same range. These are all warm colors.
哦，他说这个是很像同一个色系的颜色，因为他是画家。
哦，好。
We're gonna try it now.
Yeah, sure.
Looks so nice, and we just picked it up.
Yes.
Oh, so fresh, everything.
Yeah, food that you pick up tastes better.
Yeah. 等不及了。
系啊，口水流出来了哈。
So nice.
Delicious. So fresh.
I'm a vegetarian now, and I'm very careful about what I eat. Yeah, when they first described me, these kind of flowers that can be eaten in different ways, I thought, oh, maybe they are the same flowers we eat in Italy, because in Italy we eat pumpkin flowers. And so I expected to find those instead. No, I found some mountain flowers, which are orange. They are so beautiful because they are just beautiful for the way they are. In the end, I discovered that can be eaten also in different stages of their development. They are really good, really tasty, and as it was pretty warm, it was the perfect dish for for summertime. Yes.
《紅樓夢》感通兒嘅故事，來自於日本人獨特嘅色調。今晡日，我哋就要來認識用色調講故事嘅先生，未會用兩條本人染起來嘅色調講印調嘅故事。
Paolo, so we're now going to enter the room.
Yes.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm going to introduce you to this place. It's called Pu Shi Meng.
Pu Shi Meng.
Okay, so this word, it means stone.
Yes.
And Meng is dream. So this place is where you build your dreams on stones.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, right?
Can you say that again?
Pu Shi Meng.
Wow, 好定啊.
Okay, we're going to check it out. 林老師
Hi.
So
你好。
兩位好。
你好。
啊，这里
叶片係愛點做菩薩花嘅材料，就石頭撈晒。
So these are the stones where you construct that picture.
Yes.
So there are sands and stones in every shape. Yeah, we use 嗰石頭係from 花蓮。
像你你青色嘅你同愛點你用力嘅石頭。
用力嘅石頭。This is from 玉里 this place. Yeah.
你咪係，你咪係，你愛點用力就一隻該為所很清水。那里有一个蛇纹石的矿区，它产的就是这个就是蛇纹石，沙温石。
So many different colors, it's incredible.
開發嘅原因該係因為對用力高中教學嘅該首創用欣賞。倆門藝術呢，佢開創嘅為所，就對安尼用力錢，係用安尼用力倆附近好白石頭，染咗來那佢切一地一地。來做石塊材料，倆附近的石頭呢，佢係 set 當菩薩，就是很樸實這樣子，還有呢，紀念，你倆用力，佢係開創的為所，用力呢，佢係求名很多菩薩國，我等到那倆石頭法呢，很做菩薩法。
I've got one question. Are these all natural stones or they are also artificial pigments?
他說這些全部都是自然的嗎？還是有任何一點點人工的東西？
有局部是有人工的。底下呢，愛點倆菩薩館該片就有一間展覽室，你也可以參觀。
Okay, so there's like an exhibition center.
Yes.
We're gonna visit there later.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
你要帶我們去？ Okay. So beautiful.
Yeah, very interesting. It's like painting with stones.
In the past, until 100 years ago, people ate only food they found in the area. Then, with the great distribution, we started to import things from all around the world. This is the new way of thinking. Just go back to what you have in your hood, and the same thing can be done by artists using the materials they find around.
兩片都係菩薩藝術館嘅展覽室，石頭呢都係愛點用力嘅附近好白石頭，愛咱去染咗來，咱去切一地一地來做石塊材料，咱去染搭送去。
It started from one person or a group of people?
倆係一個人做嘅人，係動動人啊。
動動人做嘅。
倆邊個都係咩？These artworks here are all made of like more than one people.
Yes.
倆從倆石頭都係按點用力嘅，倆就一隻暗通溫泉，倆都係個火成岩，倆風色啦、槍色啦，都係個火成岩。
It's beautiful because using the different kinds of stones, they create different textures, and they take advantage of the natural feeling of the stone.
嗰群倆2001年我個店開發出沙材、沙子，沙撈石頭從下轉用。我哋表現嘅圖像都很清楚嘅。
So you know, if you use stones, you can't make the details really clear. But if you have sand, you can make everything you want.
It's just a new way to do things.
Express your
feelings.
Yes,
express things.
對咧呢，當特別嘅03年我哋個開創出新的技法。對到個石頭，特地石頭後背高一層嘅高嘅。仲有鐵錘係嚟去烤，烤出各種嘅個裂痕，就倆冇規則嘅裂痕，嘛就倆一條一條嘅裂痕。到個06年個我們就積極的在我們玉里倆附近嘅個小學做那個傳承扎根的工作都是在小學教學。倆作品呢，就是燕山國小嘅作品，元城國小的作品。小朋友的作品
，This is from children.
Yes.
等下呢，我係而家片上課。梁生會聽嗎？
強下去咩？She's inviting us to the school later.
Really?
你等下會教。
上課。
好上課。
Okay.
Later on, we'll go with him.
Okay, that's great. I want to try.
兩片呢，都係我哋學員嘅作品就得大家看到，你係客家妹。
客家妹，你係乜嘅？This is 客家。
Aka.
有通发。
有通发。Hey. So this flower actually is a symbolization of Hakka.
Oh,
yeah,
is it?
This flower, Yo Tong Hua, right?
Yeah. Like on the Hakka TV.
Yes.
咱系客家人呐，用你的客家人，用你呢，早起甲下吼，拢系原住民。嘿，咱等祖先呢，拢系拄该西部的苗栗吼迁移过来。咱就带用你的客人上，吼改片呢，吼80%拢系客人。嘿，大改片大家呢沟通的方式都系用客话，大家呢拢识，总隔壁邻啥大家拢识，因为马莎呢。过来看吼，里边还有一幅客家衫，客家的服饰。
客家嘅衫褲係嘛？
嘿。
So this is Hakka's traditional clothing.
Very beautiful.
兩個係女生嘅。
女生呢？
兩個嘛係嗎？
嘿，攏係什麼嘅衫？
什麼嘅衫？
嘿，還有老倆油通髮。
油通髮。This flower is that flower. Do you remember?
Yes. Yeah. And uses these stones. The presentation is so elegant.
他說很優雅那個。
對。好，再来看看我们客家的元素还有这个油桐树。油桐树底下呢就会有这个小小的八公庙，在田边弄一个小小的这个八公庙就是祈求他们在耕作的时候能够风调雨顺、国泰民安。美浓纸伞。
They mesh the local stone colors in such an elegant way. They create beautiful shapes which were so harmonic, so relaxing for the mind and interesting because, like some sort of abstract art make you ask questions about what it may represent, what inspires you. So you never find the answer, so it becomes an intriguing piece of art which, if you place it in a public place or even at your place, it's always inspiring. So I've seen very beautiful things.
小嘅按到太人嘅花，一下我哋來到好高地步，我嚟看一下天生嘅花家，我哋嘅小朋友，佢哋會用嚟利用石條做花呢。
你好，小朋友呢正在做浮石画你咧看看佢哋就該做乜嘅？
好啊。Hello. Let's see what they're doing.
Hello.
Hello.
大家好。
像什麼那在美濃紙傘。
Oh, so this is the umbrella?
Yes.
I told you in Kaohsiung, the Meinong's umbrella, made of paper, do you remember?
They use scissors to cut the stones.
你都在做乜嘅？你係乜嘅？
石條。
石條。像牆上的畫呢，它都是有故事性的，是在說我們都在做菩薩法。那个上课的情形。
So these paintings are like you see how they're working now?
Yes.
So this is what they're doing. The paintings are telling about the story of them making it.
好，我们找一位小朋友来介绍他的作品。
好。
好，陈忠。
Hi.
Hello.
你来介绍一下，你的作品是什么意思？
也係線上林美佐老師。
你就應該啦。
It's her.
叫做水石條。
水石條。
也係我同學。
So this is him.
Yes.
And these are his classmates.
So the hammer and these are pieces of stones she's breaking, and this is the cube. They break them on.
So 大家係
靠石條
嘅，
教學生嘅靠石條。
Interesting.
大家呢？
好。而家呢，燕山國小呢，佢就原住民讓客家小朋友同下度嚟讀書，度就走在原住民的構圖，讓該客家的構圖通化。
So in this school, they have a combination of different kinds of races, like Aboriginal people, like Hokkien people, and Hakka people. So this is Aboriginal people and Hakka.
Oh,
so
I see that.
This paint symbolizes their blendings, you know.
And this is a traditional dress for Hakka.
The Lansan.
Hakka Sam.
Hakka Sam.
Very nice.
Children are the real artists because when they start to create something, they just do it because it's fun. And the meaning of art should be having fun, or actually, having fun doesn't really mean laughing, but means doing something that gives you pleasure inside, gives you a sense of self-accomplishment, which other kinds of jobs don't grant you. For kids, the product of art is not as important as trying to do something.
你哋做得做麼？
好，安尼你也都在做，安尼你可你有動辦的畫板。
So we can pick our boards.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, show us.
我兩個。
好。
I get this one.
哦，冇問題。好，安尼你驗十條哈。
好。
好，一片十條動作吼，看你嘅哪一種吼，你一間啦。
So you can take whatever you want.
Wow, there are so many beautiful colors here. Okay, one. It's difficult to choose.
那就拿兩個就不用給它弄碎了，對不對？
嘿，你一種係烤好嘅，你哋直接拿落去吼，就做得搭嘅。
你做得烤嘛？
做得，好，你嘅烤吼，到那兩種冇裂邊嘅，就做得烤，吼。好，買咗兩一粒嘅，好十條。
I want to get brighter red ones.
好，安尼行到位。
Let's swap.
It's like you're going to a buffet.
It's like you're gonna have a buffet. 他說這樣很像是吃那個自助餐。
哎，有點像。
So what I'm going to do? Let me check.
You know, for artists, there are two basic ways of work. One is adding, the other one is removing. Okay, for example, for a sculpture, adding is when they use nitu and they create a model for a sculpture, and the other way is carving, so removing material. In this case, there is some of both because you have to add the color, but then you have to remove one part of it for the single piece because you have to check if it matches with the space you have. And so it's a different way of using your brain, which is really interesting.
Tinka.
來到台東池上，你會看到一種橙色嘅太眠蟲，本來當上會望到地度好好嘅睡覺。因為好天氣加上易睡覺，種出全國聞名嘅池上米。所以想誒，起點茶、吹點風，實在當享受呢。
I love riding my bicycle in a place like this. Is even better because it's so peaceful. In Italy we have rice fields, but they're different. I never seen them so many like that and with no houses actually, because we could look in some directions for kilometers there were no buildings. So it's been a beautiful discovery, yes.
We're gonna have fun.
We're gonna have fun.
I'm getting embarrassed.
阿青哥，
係四阿妹。
好。
哦，你要做倒落去啊，吼，千萬倒落去條，吼，好，按倒落去。
兩個土壤，有咁多年嘅歷史。
係，你要做先當然咯，係，做先當然吼，啊，你都講真啦，啊，總比都嚟用工，你用家總比平。
總比平，用平哦。
係，總比用平均量吼，平均量吼，啊，總比平來啊，啊，你可以是用家，你條尾最有嗰種嘅最來嘅。大家有沒有三七步起點呢
So you have to stand it like that.
要逆時針哈，旋轉。
Go clockwise, anti-clockwise.
Yes.
天天嚟，幾多出來哈？看到有出來嗎？
哦，有出來。
OK，出來哈。OK，你嘅米都出來了哈。天天嚟摸紅有冇哈？看有冇哈？
Oh, should I try? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a try. Okay.
Anti-clockwise.
Yeah. To put my hand here, right? I never seen the kind of meal that we used, the hand meal we used to separate the rice grains from the husk. I never seen anything like that before.
We surely had something like that in the countryside, but possibly it's a tradition which is long lost. So I never had the opportunity to see it. And besides seeing it, to try it, which has been really, really exciting and fun because it's a different movement from things one does usually. So it's been nice to see somebody who could do it so well and learn from him and try and use my hands to do something.
Hôm nay cục giữ hạ lại ha.
Oh my god.
Yes.
How did you do it?
我哋會下，或者拉下，啲歌縫下，拉啊，或者下。
Sideways a little bit, yes.
Oh, it's actually
The more you do
really
it, it gets
heavy.
easier. It gets easier with experience. You don't have to stop, you have to do it quickly. Yeah? Oh, shall I?
加下去這樣哈，來。
Oh, you
Shall I put it back?
Oh my god, this is so heavy.
這樣，
哦，等一下。
這邊嚟。
好了嗎？夠了還是全部？
全部。
全部。
Stop!
全部哈。
全部，you have to finish it.
I'm so tired. I'm sweating now. Stop it!
You said to put it down.
No!
好，來。
It's really heavy.
來，好來，好 OK，好，做得，好，嚟咯。佢是用咯，你
It's a little easier when there is a lot.
It is not
Yes.
anything. It's
One,
far
two,
from
one,
easy.
two, one, two. Push, push.
I give up.
Okay. Okay, let's try and finish it.
好
Okay,
來，好來，
let's go.
好來。
But you forgot to put your left foot
對
ahead.
Really?
In front of the
三七步啊，
other,
哈，
yeah.
哦，對。
Oh, you just go for it.
Oh,
哦，
impressive.
You just got it wrong. You just balance your body in the wrong direction.
哦，你公主下來啦，你公下啦。
對，
哎，這樣。
This
這
is
個
the,
用途係乜解啊？
就是把這個龍王哦來背出嚟。
點解不會出啲
哎呀，
哦？
龍王有沒有？這樣。
哦。
這樣好了。
that's the tough part, not this.
Not that.
No, 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 no. You have to blow.
I dropped all the rice.
這骨子往後背哈。這樣。所以要扭一下。
扭哪裡啊？
吹一下，吹一下，哎，補一下，
I think.
哎，農家嘅細來，大部分啲我背山東做些較多。啊，地度嘅家私啊，像食飯嘅東西啦，糯米啦，那個飯菜那條啊，大部分是婦人家哈，啊是家裡的這個女生，像你不開哦，媽媽那條啊哈，佢提供你家磨米咯哈，1個禮拜，你做弄1拜，就用個土料，啊來磨米啊，磨1禮拜營養啊。 我哋禮拜4日，差唔多要米公里地度要磨米咯，你要準備準備你要嚟磨，又弄我好些，俾我米講太肉1禮拜磨1拜我俾感覺較新鮮，米絲嚟來個甜味啊，那條個口感加真好。
Look, I finished.
你裝好㗎。 裝好㗎，你都會拿到個位嚟磨米，準備嚟做米糍木。
米糍木 It's a rice, not the rice. The rice into. It's a process of rice into noodle. Rice into noodle.
Oh.
Okay.
特別係講人啊，啲田鄉做田那個，你都會用嚟米糍木有冇？做嘅點心。
So
客家人必備的點心就是
米糍木係點心咯。
點心。
So the the noodle we're gonna make later is like the dessert for Hakka, the Hakka farmers.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna make it now.
Great. So they have to grind this one afterwards.
要磨它，對不對？
要磨。哦。磨米加磨米加弄。
You're smart.
Well, there was.
Okay.
Yeah. Great.
好，那就準備出發。謝謝。好，過嚟啦哈。
呀。
有菜冇？
有哦，慢年期嘛。
阿尤靜好。
哎呀。
This is 阿尤靜。
哎，你好，
你好。
哪個朋友？
哎，你好。
Nice to meet you.
用白的嘛？哦，咱两盒面啊。
白醉啲。
呀，好。怎么解？
唔爱讲嗌就做米奇木。
哦，そうですよ、对哈。
そうですよ。
呀，对哈。等下。米。
你继续。
哎。两盒嘅米哦，我选金。啊，金有2點鐘。
Yes.
啊，金有2點鐘，張做的麼？來，講你細米啦。
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to learn. Okay.
細米曉得嘛
Okay,
細米嗌啲啊。
啊，啲好來，試看啦。
阿勇哦。
啊，你翻譯就好。
翻譯就好。
來，你翻譯就好。誰講啊？
阿勇做得麼？
做得，你是麼米嗰個本哦，冇水溜點出咯。
哦，好。
啊。技術神蛋。
So you have to clean it first.
Yeah.
She's testing me.
哎，一般細米是3邊。
3邊哦。
係3邊。
還有 T 邊哦。Okay, I got 2 more times.
One, two. 你的細米應該焯水。
焯水係乜嘢啊？
放水。
放水。
呀。
放。
你冇不用說用板磨米。
哦，嗌啲嘅。
啲啊，呀。
聽嘅，慢慢的。
呀。
So the water.
姜水就是慢慢的把水沥乾的意思。
So the water from the.
是對，等下跌槍。
是跌槍。
等下一點都飲唔起。
阿勇做得麼？
做得。哦，你看。
There were a couple of molecules of water. I wanted to get rid of.
不用一批。
Okay. 不用一批。
不用一批。倒進去，不用一批。
Okay, 不用一批。I hold it.
You hold it. Don't drop it. You don't want to waste it.
You don't want to waste it.
You don't want to.
過槍啊哦。
I don't want to waste it. Oh no.
阿勇做得麼啊？
做唔得，過槍啊！唔調下農局辛苦啦哈。
辛苦。
自己啲都冇浪費，過槍啊！
I asked whether it's alright now. She said, "Don't waste it.
No.
Never waste your food."
No. This is education.
7, 6. Okay.
No, 2.
冇嚟啊！
No. 還有1、2、
3、辛苦啊！對。OK， 好。
可以嗎？
水槽那邊，不是哪一水槽？水槽是開嗱。面盤個重一擺，水個米粒從將來。
You're good in washing dishes.
誒，嗱個米粒咪從將來。
Just rinse it, no soap. 對不對？好了。
好嘛？不用下杯。
不用下杯。
哦，開水，不用得。
這邊 OK。
哦，開水，開細細。
呀，
開水。看到幾個水。 有下來，就是這邊的水有下來，就按照幾個水有下來嘞。來，插天，回天。
插天。
咩幾條？
幾條。
好，2條。好，來，忙哎。開關門開啊，搬上去。拿好，拿海。再下一個動作，天天的開，天天的來。
天天的開嗎？
來，慢慢的拉。
哦。
呀。對，拉到，來到清風。 來到清風
哦，
對，好，下一個動作，看下你的米有細有爆水嗎？
有細有爆水是嗎？
就是說你的米粒如果吸水，不過就水浸了唔拉，冇久，也會出。對，對，清濃的啦，就
按用做的，
對，
是 OK 的。哦，
對
，Do you feel texture？
做得，看等下哦，莫空轉哦。
莫空轉，莫米我用板啊。
樹莫出來就好，天天的拿米背下去，背這樣背下去哈。
You have to pay attention whether there's some rice.
哈，這樣的，水必出來啊，都每年嘢，水快太了。
莫水哦，
Almost done.
Me, you
It's
have.
so fast.
Yeah, really fast.
啊。
动快。
动脚。
好，
管水，管天。
哦。
管天。
哦，好，做得，伊莎比哦，伊上高哦。
You get it.
Okay, I get it.
好，来倒了存面盆水，面盆底度个酱存一啲嚟都好，差唔多5分直接。
5分。
等下倒開。
One out of 5. What?
好，做嘛阿狗也愛樣做，按做米西木，愛一般上醬，一般熟醬，葵茶。
葵茶是什麼？
Turn on the
葵茶
fire.
是什麼？
翻成國語講，開車。
Turn on the
I don't
fire,
get
right?
it. She said drive the car. I don't know what she's talking about.
Oh, baby.
再白話一點講，開始。
哦，OK。
開始。
So much simpler.
要學到嘅嘛？
要啊，唔教係動到下教生藝都唔會。
哦，學呢度。
藝類
It already
廿
looks
V，
nice.
藝類廿 V 學下教法。
你比我較講，你唔是塔列的標誒。
哦，automatically。OK。
好，該開水火，佢下杯嗰個醬會熟，嚇，你嘛有看到嘛？小佢會熟。
哦。
嚇
Yeah.
熟醬，擺到你上醬香。
Already?
係咧，朋友啦嚇，再開大一點。
Okay. Don't like we have to do our work, okay?
Yes.
Finish the whole
好
pot.
好嚇，係四件衣哦。
Sophie，爭嚟了。How long is it gonna take?
I don't know, maybe a few minutes.
Everything takes so long here.
Well, when you want to prepare things which are not factory made, it takes time.
I know.
But then the flavor is totally different.
趁醬嚟啊，冇夾辣咯。
冇夾辣。
對，蒸鍋。
Oh, okay. Do you have anything like this in Italy?
Not as far as I know, but you know, every part of Italy is different, has its own traditions. So there are so many different things that get discovered every day. That's why there are so many programs about cooking, not only in Taiwan but
You mean
also elsewhere.
in Italy?
Yeah, also in Italy, yes.
Oh.
Because Italy once was formed by 20 different countries.
Oh.
And each country had its own traditions. From the internet, actually.
She just kicked me.
Sorry. Oh.
唔講我嘅。
冇。
要啊，唔講。
You get distracted.
要講 something.
You get distracted.
啊，就是我冇講。
謝謝。
She said she's serious. She didn't say anything.
Almost.
講破了，出波來，了醬了。
嗌掉做嘅不錯吧？
It's been
伊
quicker
上
than
教伊
expected.
妹冇夾辣，
冇夾辣。我啊。
冇夾啵，伊沙比。
Isapi?
伊沙比，一個。
Is a bit, yes.
伊沙，你要變成伊沙比這樣。
Isapi.
And now.
看到嗎？
好。
好，現在翻成國就現在要把生薑跟米跟熟薑混一起。
Okay, she's mixing the raw one and the red one.
好，然後該調嘅熟薑就是熟薑，哈，拿去弄散來，哈，就拿去背，拿去大概熟薑，拿去背散來。
背散。
哎，哈，歸下散咯，必準，呀，
拌勻。
對。
mix it like
little by little.
熟薑要把它弄散。
Okay.
好，糖油了哈。
糖油。
好，糖油來，加油。
Okay, it's my turn now.
Yeah, you do it and I criticize you for what you do wrong. But this way takes forever.
Okay, you do it.
You have to, I don't know, but probably you have to do it a little more quickly. Oh, do we have to do it clockwise?
椒蒜按唔係椒蒜絲，你就等下搖到冇種完咗夾落去等下，你就會縮一縮，搶一搶。
Oh, a little bit, yes.
哎，就是說的按照順序，整個都要散，意思，好，就這樣子順序一直去，整個。
Yes, of course.
啊，你嘛？
滴。
好，滴哈，好。
But you have to do it as slowly as this. Otherwise,
we have to be so
cloths. You don't.
You know, we have
you
to
don't
slow down our, you know, city. Our city habits of being rushing all the time. Here, so.
We have to talk a little more slowly.
Slower.
圓條嘛。
圓條嘛。
好，
做得了。
好，整個大面繼續拌。
Start like.
Okay.
She's gonna. She's demonstrating.
这样子。
Oh, she's a pro.
好，利用个好日反翅背个种个力量，这咱去教就得。你晓得无？滴嘛？
滴。
滴遐啦，个无盐。
I'll try. If it's alright, like this.
是么？你头落山来蛮好哦。
This way quicker.
好，就这样子。
The stainless steel.
对，哈，木盖。这个叫做木盖。
木盖。木盖哦。木盖。你哋嘅係木哦。
太木。
太木哦。
中木。
Big part. Small part.
細木。
Okay.
好，來，調下雞面盤。
How do you do
好
that?
入去調下雞面前目標。
This.
好。
She's
然後啊
asking for this.
有可能嘅背面有安尼叫嘅嘛？背面、背面。
背面。
有沒有看到？勾勾。
勾勾。
然後好，
有
架上去。
Oh, so it's easy.
哦
加上去。
Not to get.
You have to.
Yes, not to get
你就會燙
boiled.
傷了，要這樣子拿，掛上去，然後衝拿，給我等。
Is that alright?
Yes.
對動。
對動。衝兩個。
下下呢？
下下係咪嘅？
謝謝。
哦。
我按嚟唔得，按到尖。好，來，手，唔好跟到鑊頭。
Don't touch the pot.
Yeah.
Sure.
啊。
We don't want to burn out.
一技術，你特別惡等，將拿一團，不用頭前哈。
好。
好。對不對？順利，因為你身高比我高，他討厭。好。順利。
順利。
縮過去，哈，順利。
It's like washing your clothes, you know.
安尼。
安尼。
看油嘛。
哦。
二條管啊，望二邊啊，講條管輕啊，順條。
係啊。
好，來。跟住嘛，解擺。解擺啊。啊，拿一團。
拿一團。
用頭
One
前。
hand.
一技術惡等，輕等，順利。數把掌就是手掌，數把掌嘅力，啊，然後將輕下去，啊，就這樣子。你曉得嘛？
哦。
看油嘛？
看油。
看油哈，看油順利。
So you have to use both of your hands.
Yes.
One like this and
Sure.
one with this.
Okay, I rinse my hands first. You know, going into the realm of art and creating something, it's something which is really goes parallelly with these kind of things, because for me it's a very important concept. An artist shouldn't be bound to the technique he uses. An artist should be somebody who's able to create something out of anything. This means also being able to use one's hands in a different way to create things even without using colors. In this case, we were trying a new technique, but then the technique can be transformed into something more personal, can inspire somebody to use the same technique to create maybe different shapes of mitaimu. It's a creative process which is really similar to the creative process and the technical skills that an artist has to acquire in order to create something. Oh, it's done!
小心啊，小心啊。
Yummy.
好。
What are you two doing? Are you dating?
哇，
There you
享受
go.
成品了。
Yummy.
Yummy. Let's try it.
Yes.
來有一滴滴的皮咯。
This for summer. This for winter.
This is summer, I have this.
一般新米奇木是講米奇木，不用到倆地杯度用桶頭用去煮。而家喺不用去煮，當夾住落桶。好，斑駁。
斑駁。
係冇，你是冇卡到一半咯哈。你出來是冇嗌大字哦。好。
So you're tasting the sweet one.
然後是甜咩？
Yes, I want to try this.
No, 因為是甜咩？
好，我就卡糖水。
好。
Isn't it a summer
Yeah.
dish?
Summer dish.
Is it a dessert?
哦，你香港人有一個快傳統，
快傳
那邊nhìn下睇，你等下。
Okay.
好，享用。
This is.
Answer
Do you know why you
say-
did it first? It's a Hakka tradition.
Yes.
Like men have that really high statue.
Oh.
So me being a woman, I have to sit like that.
Okay.
Okay, so
huh.
so now it's my turn.
The only important thing is eating something.
Okay. I
Okay, and
respect
try
you.
it.
Okay.
Okay.
換你的，自己的。
冇問題啦。
好，冇問題啊。
冇問題。
你這麼卡比嘅台灣結婚有冇咯？
嗌媽從我食。
好，下咩？寫話哈。
好。
活动时침带啲啦哈，下杯了了啲下杯哈。哦，寻宝啊！
寻宝。
哎呀，好，好，試看啦。
我看到咧。
好。
And then he 兩位是兩個米奇木。
太sắc條碼呀嘿。啊，條前一片田嗎？
條前
好，來喲，來喲，停來。
OK。
我腳短，我快快啊，小心哈。好，跨過來。
Water step。
哦，有沒有看到前面一片？我們剛剛是從磨米，打鼓。磨米。
打鼓。
對，好，做米苔目。我們現在是享受成果，對不對？好，我們現在是對着前面一片綠綠的。
啊，
這個 view 有沒有超好？啊，超好啊
！5 stars, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Take your seat.
Yes.
太近 you have to sit down. Sit down. OK.
這樣吃會比較美嗎？
會啊。
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 試試看。
這個
告訴我感覺。
Bon appetit.
Go.
Bon appetito.
Bon appetito. 馬尾食。
Delicious. May I have more? I just started. Great, really. I like it. When I go back to Italy, I will at least explain how to do them to my wife because she's better than me in cooking. But I think it's something that we might try to do at home because the flavor is fantastic. Also, the shape is not all the same. They're all different because they're made by hand. According to the pressure you apply to your hand, they become longer or shorter, thicker or thinner. And so the flavor when you eat them, it's really particular because they're all different.
So this is our last activity of our journey.
Yes.
What do you think?
I know that. It's been great. It's been a great experience. I've seen so many beautiful places. I've seen so many incredible people. I've had so many different occasions to meet the Hakka culture in some of its expressions. So many different. So I'm really glad I had the opportunity to come over here. Yes.
做你會想嗎？
做你會
回憶嗎？
Oh, are you gonna miss it?
Yeah, I'm going to miss it for sure.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you. We're going back to
Especially
Italy.
this.
好不好吃？
好吃。
好吃，準備動手嘞！加油！
Okay.
再續碗，加油！
안쓰세.
太刺眼用動到無窮用嘅面貌，豐富漂流老眼嘅感受。我感覺歌聲也係一件動情嘅事。有請老眼跳下繼續旅行，發現一片土地嘅美。
I wanted to represent a little bit what I've seen in these 7 days. So I started from the background, so from the sky, the beautiful sky which can change so quickly. You can have beautiful blue sky and a few moments later there are those incredible shaped clouds that cover the sky. The road which is winding like the road that took us from Ilan to Hualien, the mountain road which is so winding. A river represents the flowing of time. But the strange thing is that when you're near a river and doing something like searching for jade as we did, time stops and you are just there with your feet in the water, searching for something. The important thing in those situations is not finding something but searching. It's a little bit like painting. When you start painting and you don't really have a subject in your mind, you just let it go. We visited places where we saw these incredible fields, rice fields and other cultivations. I was amazed by the brightness and differences in colors, which is so inspiring. And what I like about fields is the fact that even though they are human-made, they still have something like a natural look to them. Besides the rice fields and the other fields I've seen, like the orange daylilies on the mountain, what I wanted to represent in my painting is a little bit my impressions of the Hakka Keja spirit. And so I decided to represent it through the form of a Taiwanese bird, which is called the red oriole. It's a beautiful bird from the mountains, red and black. As the Hakka people I met is lively, happy, and active, very active.